Hey, what's up, you guys? It's JTA, Josh with Tech Addiction, and I realized I never really did an official unboxing of the Note 8. So I decided, hey, let me go ahead and unbox this bad boy. The other one I had previously was pre-owned, but this one is brand new. It's fresh out the box. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Slides out nice and easy. Samsung has definitely gotten better with their packaging. And there we go. Look at that. Now, the lady did open it to show me how the colors looked because we were debating on the blue or the black. So definitely I will say the black is like top tier. But let's just sit this over to the side here and dig into the contents. Now also, when I had the unopened box one, some of them were missing some things. So this is going to show you everything that's in the box. Okay, let's open this up. I'm pretty sure we have some pamphlets and stuff in here. Should have a SIM injection tool, but maybe not. Okay, download that, get your Samsung accessories, setting up your account. Also, it's teaching you about the smart switch and using the OTG accessory, which you plug this into one of your other phones, devices, and you can withdraw your data from there. Using smart switch, easily switch. Quick reference manual. I guess if you guys are coming over from Apple, then definitely for the first time you would need that. And terms and conditions and health and safety. Okay. What else we have here? So we talked about the OTG little adapter. We also have USB to micro USB because some people may not have a USB cable. I mean USB-C cable. So what you would do here is put your micro USB in there, and then boom, you have another cable which will work with other fast chargers. So you don't have to have the Samsung one, but they do include a fast charger in the box, unlike Apple, of course. But hey, we all know how Apple works and operates by now. And then opening this up, this is the actual cable to plug in with this bad boy there. And we have some AKG, well, tuned by AKG headphones here. So I'm just gonna keep those in the box, and really don't know what this clamp is for here. Oh, so this looks like this is to change the tips in your Note 8 stylus, which was, wow, I never paid attention to that. In the open box version, I didn't get that. And then here also some earbud tips to swap them out for different sizes to fit your ears. So putting all that back, I don't want to open anything up here. That's it, guys, with that. And you know, just another look at the phone here, but that's it. This is everything, the Note 8. This is the unlocked version, and you can use it with any network. So yeah, you guys, I definitely feel like this is a win, and you should get this phone. I love all of the features, how it works with the Samsung TV. It even works with Amazon Stick, Roku Stick to mirror your phone to the TV. Also, if you guys don't know, I'll be showing some tips and tricks on how you can mirror your phone to the TV, and you can still do other stuff. So it's definitely way better than Apple AirPlay wirelessly from your phone. Mirroring, it allows you to answer calls, texts, everything, and you can still watch whatever's on the TV. So it's definitely for those data hungry users that really want the full out of their data and paying, basically you're paying for what you get in this phone. Versus when I had the iPhone, I didn't think so, but hey, wait for the iPhone X unboxing that'll be coming later. So I am a smaller channel, so I do get devices and things later than the big boys. So this has been JTA, Josh with Tech Addiction, with the Galaxy Note 8 unboxing 3 or 5 or 6 months later. See you guys.